Hello everyone. Hello moms and girls and newbies to side hustle. I'm Shada. My channel Honest Knowledge will give you honest review and feedback on easy to make money schemes, websites, side hustles and AI bots. What's free, what's paid, is your country on the list? So today I'm going to review story.com, Storybird AI. Everyone is talking about it, so let's do that. Okay, you see ChatGPT open here. I'm not going to review ChatGPT. I'm using it for writing my script, so I have already written it before. I'm copying that script here and and explaining the prompt a little more here, and then giving the command to chatbot to create the story. So it will create my story. After it creates my story, I'll copy the script. This here I have created a small script because I just want to show you sample. You can do even bigger, and copy this script and take it to story.com. Okay, you see story is when you type Storybird AI, this is the one. That story.com is an AI. Story.com, you click on this one, you open. Okay, then it says tell your story. You wait for it to open, then the generate something chatbot opens. You type the script here, paste the script, then tell it to generate a script from prompt. Okay, so it will start generating the scripts. Okay, and see, it gives the title of the story also. I wrote the script about two sisters, so it says Sisters of the Wilderness, and it's creating the Sisters of the Wilderness script story. And see, this one, it is creating the image first because I clicked on the video option. And how do we create the storybook? So for that, same, go there, says tell your story. Okay, here after tapping the script, by default video is selected. You select storybook. Okay, now it will create a storybook. Okay, you can write 1,000 characters here. I have written 764. It starts to create the story. You see the story is being created. While the story is being created, you see the title is here, and you see like option, share option, and download PDF option. So before I come here to explain you this platform, I have already created 3 videos and 5 stories before. So after the story is created, you can share it on your social media platform. Your followers, your friends and family can read it, and if they like it, they like you, and when they like, you receive credits in terms of credit points, not in terms of money. Okay, after the story is generated, you can publish it on KDP. But what the hack is here? Is it free? Let's check that after it is created. And see, as the story is created, you can turn the pages after touching the corner of it has created beautiful images of the two sisters, still in creation. Okay, it will create a story of 20, 30, 40 pages depending upon how long your script was. Okay, I have created a story with 25 pages, 35 pages. Okay, so this one got created with 25 pages. You can copy the link from here and share it on your various social media platform. Now let's go download PDF. Is the download free? It says to duplicate the story in your library. I say confirm, and when I go download PDF, it gives me two formats. It is the ebook format and the paperback format. We can choose depending what we need. And then, is that PDF download free? No, it is not free. If you need 25 USDs for it, if you don't have credits, you need to pay and the payment is same for different countries. I have checked. You change the country, the payment is same. Okay, now if we go to publish on Amazon, is it free? No, it needs 5,000 credits. Okay, what you do, 50, if you should have 5,000 credits, or you pay $50. It's same for different countries. You change the country, it is same. Okay, the payment is same. So there are two packages: self-publishing kit for 50 USD and fully managed publish kit for 100 USD. So how is the platform overall? Overall, the platform is good. It gives really good images, creates the story nicely, creates the scene first, and then breaks it into if I go on to the edit a story, you can see it first write the script scene wise, and then do it. Okay, then creates a storyboard with images. You can take the preview and then edit here if you want. Okay, so what do we do if we create the story on storybird.com? You can share with friends and families to receive credits, and if you have enough credits, you can publish for free on KDP or download a PDF version. And if you are a teacher, if you are a mom who needs new stories, it's your easy way to create new stories for your little ones in the class, in the home, and tell them new stories often. So how I like the platform overall. It is a yes from me. That's it. Subscribe to my channel and like. If you are looking for more videos and reviews like this, then you will know where to start, where to stop. See you in the next video. Bye.